Hey guys, it's Christina Moore from Tangy Soul Line Dancing, coming to bring you another highly requested line dance. This is Zydeco Diva. It is a very simple beginner line dance that I will teach you real quick. I think the only thing that is catching most people up is those turns. So let's jump right into it, all right? Zydeco Diva. It's going to start on your left foot. Zydeco Diva is starting on your left. And we are doing a left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8 is a left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, then I'm gonna roll those hips. 2 to the left, 2 to the right. All right, we stir it up. Let's put those two parts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 is a left, right, left. Right, left, right. Roll left and right. 2. All right, I got 2 to the left, 2 to the right. Right? All right, adding on, which is the end of the dance. This is a 2-wall dance, which means I do it on the front wall and the back wall only. All right? We use our side walls as passing walls. All right? So the next part, which is the ending, is this turn. With your left foot, you're going to step left, right. All right, I'm going to my left wall. I'm facing my left wall. Stepping left, right. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right. All right. Then, as you guys see, I'm going to turn backwards, going this way, doing left, right. We're going to do left, right, left, right. So I just did a left, right, turn to the back and do left, right. Okay? Let's try that. Let's do all 4 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left, right, turn left, right. Got it? Let's add that to our dance from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I got left, right, left, right. Roll 1, 2, 1, 2. Step left, right, turn left, right. How you do? All right, hopefully you propped your phone up and you're standing with me. All right, we got to get to this back wall. With our left foot, we're going to rock up and rock back. And that's, somebody say, whole dance. I rock up, rock back, and then I start all over again with the left, right, left, right, left, right. Remember, when I'm facing you, this is my left, but that's your left. All right? But let's do that turn part, because that's the part that gets most people. I'm stepping left, right, turn left, right, rock up on the left, rock back on the left, and left, right, left. Start over again. Roll them hips, roll them hips. Yes? Then again, I'm going to step left, step right, turn left and right. Rock up on the left, rock back on the left, and I start over again. Right, left, right. All right? That's the whole dance. Let's try it with the music. Let's see what we got. This is Zydeco Diva.
All I want, all I need tonight, all I want, like little service, all I need tonight.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, 3. Roll 1, 2, 1, 2. Step left, right, turn left, right, rock up on the left, rock back on the left, left, right, left, right, left, right. Roll 1, 2, 1, 2. Step left, right, turn left, right, up on the left, back on the left, left, right, left, right, left, right. Roll, roll, left, right, rock up on the left, rock back on the left. Hopefully you got it. If not, rewind it. Try it again. It's those turns that get most people. Just think left, right, left, right. And if you got a question, hit me in the comments. Happy dancing.